Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Infiniti QX80. First, make sure your vehicle is safely in park with the engine running. Then, navigate to the Settings menu on your QX80 infotainment display. Simultaneously, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone and ensure it is discoverable to other devices. This sets the stage for a smooth and quick pairing process. Once in the settings, select the Bluetooth option on your QX80 screen. You'll then choose Add New Device or Pair Device to initiate the search for nearby devices. When your phone's name appears on the list, simply select it. This action will prompt both your phone and the car to prepare for the final connection steps.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Quick recommendation. Staying organized on the go is key, and these leak-proof meal prep containers are fantastic for keeping your snacks fresh. You can find the link for these and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
A pairing code will appear on both your phone and the QX80 screen. Confirm they match. Next, grant any necessary permissions on your smartphone for access to contacts and media audio. Finally, test the connection by playing some music or making a quick hands-free call. You're now ready to enjoy seamless integration on the road. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the QX80 infotainment system often resolves them. You might also try deleting any old pairings from both devices before attempting to reconnect. For specific model details or persistent problems, always refer to your Infiniti QX80 owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.